that. Lotus root into smaller pieces. Ground chicken. Shrimps. Chopped lotus root, garlic. Blend it. All together become paste. Oyster sauces. Lee and Perry's. Soy sauces. Spring onions. Mix it all together. Ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Cornstarch. Take 1 sheet of bean curd skin, filling the mixture in the center of the sheet. Fold it up nicely. Use some water to seal the end. Steam for about 10–15 minutes until it's fully cooked. You can also fry the bean curd roll.